Hello and welcome back. Well, I'm really pleased with the way this drill press is turning out. I made a couple of adjustments on the drive, and this right here, the speed adjustment, is working outstanding. I got a few things I need to do to it. Let me show you. I need to repair this handle here, and this one goes right here, so I got to repair that handle. But I'm missing this part of this handle, which goes down here for the table lift. So I got to build some kind of ball turner. I'm not going to get too elaborate. I'm just going to get her done. And I just got to make one of these. It'll be kind of a challenging project, but I believe I can do it. And I've got quite a bit of runout on this spindle. And I don't know if you can see it or not. Probably can. At first I thought it was a taper, but I believe it's bent inside the quill here. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to fix that, but I'll figure out something. And right up here where the speed adjustment is, I'm going to put a little brass pointer right here, and I've got a plaque being made. I got a friend with a laser cutter, and he's going to engrave some speed. It goes from about 380 to 1400 RPM. Goes a little bit beyond that range, but not much. But it'll give an idea how fast you run, because that moves as you speed it up or slow it down. I did some work on this. It's really working outstanding now. Let me show you. You notice right here, the shaft that drives this drive wheel is hanging out of alignment with the quill. So it seems like that would make the wheel try to track in or out. But when I had it lined up, it was an effort to speed the machine up, to speed the drill press up, and super easy to slow it down. And by making that offset, the wheel is not trying to move this way or this way, so the yoke here doesn't have to hold the wheel in place while the drill press is running. So now it's pretty much effortless to speed it up. And slow it down. The yoke on the cam followers bounce up and down a little bit as I'm speeding it up and down. As soon as I quit making a speed change, it kind of smooths out. But there's no real pressure on those cam followers now. I'm really pleased with that. About 1400. So the first thing I'm going to do is build something to turn that ball on the end there. And this is kind of quick and dirty, but I think it'll work. I've got a tool I'm going to use here that I've had for some time. I'm going to sacrifice that for my ball turner. And this right here is the total space I need to put that tool on center. That's about 600 thousandths. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this plate here. I've got a T-nut there. It's one I made. I'm going to put a countersink bolt right there. Mount that bar there. Mill it down so that it's the right height. This is 625/8, so it's 625, and it needs to be about 600. So take about 25 thousandths off of that, and I'm going to mount the tool so it's adjustable this way and make it pivot right here. So that should, I think it'll work. Kind of crude, but it'll work. Now I need to mill that down to, it was 600 thousandths. Okay. If I move that to the pivot point, that's 0 diameter. So I can probably measure approximately from this pivot point here. Probably need to put a scribe line there so I can just do like that. Anyway, I need a 7/8 ball, so that'll be 7/16 diameter. See it right there. Very slightly big. It should be close. Should be close. Got a round tip on it. That should work good. Yeah, I think that's going to work out good. Okay, I got that handle I made threaded for a 5/16. I'm going to do the same with the original one that's broken. Okay, now I got to put the forge on to hold that right there. Hold it just like that so I can drill that. Looks pretty good. What I'll do is I'll V that, at least on this half, and then braze it. I guess I could lock that. That almost looks perfect. There's one. I got to remove this other handle up here and put it in the forge jaw just like I did the other one. Well, these turned out much better than expected. They're going to be painted black. I'm going to clean them in lacquer, or acetone and Loctite them. Okay, I cleaned them really good with acetone and then soap and water and blew them out and made them dry. Using red high-strength Loctite. I think 5/16 will be plenty under tension. All right. Used a cord grip so it won't pull out of that hole up there. Well, I'm really pleased with the way these knobs turned out. And I think they'll hold up plenty good. They probably broke by something hitting them rather than over tightening. Hopefully. This is a well thought out design. It's got a set screw that holds the screw in the right position so you can lock the table. I like it. I think I'm going to mount that with like that 3M mounting tape. But I think this is like an antique brass. I'm going to get a bright brass plate made. I like the design though. Looks good. Let's give it a try. Bottom speed is actually about 380. That's about 400 right there. fairly close. Knobs turned out good. Well, I may just keep that speed indicator. I get some of that 3M mounting tape, mount that flat. I like it. Thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell. Thank you.